Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix your mechanic not working, not delivering cars, or otherwise, when you call to him, it says occupied. So super easy fix to that. Basically, what you need to do here, you need to have on your account money to pay your mechanic. Because if you, for example, died and you lost all your money, it's just on your saving accounts. You cannot pay your mechanic, and then you will get, when you call to him, you will get a message that he's occupied and they cannot do things for you. So what you need to do here, you need to open up your phone, you need to go to the browser or internet, then you need to go to money and services, Maze Bank, main menu, and then withdraw. And here the first number should be some money more than $50 on your account, because per day they will ask you $50. So what you need to do here is to withdraw some money. Here withdraw, I know, 2000, and then after that you can call your mechanic, but right away they cannot basically do things for you. What you need to do here, once you have the money, you need to wait for 24 hours in game. It's around, I know, half an hour or 45 minutes in real time. And after that, after the time passed, your mechanic should work for you. So basically you need to have your money in your not savings account, but in your thing here. Right, so that's pretty much it. I hope I helped you out, and if I did, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.